am going to pick a winner for the Flex Yarn giveaway. Just a few promotions before I tell who the winner is. If you go down below in the description, I have some links down there which have my Etsy store. I've added a few things in my Etsy store if you'd like to take a look. I have crochet things in here like crochet shirts and mugs and some patterns, and then I have some other miscellaneous things that I've just added in here. Also, my Amazon has my Crochet for Beginners book for Kindle, Autobook, and paperback, and for crochet hats for beginners. The links are down below for that. And then Knit Crate, if you like to sign up, it's $24.99 per month. If you use my promo code JEWEL20, you get 20% off your first month, and you get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet of patterns. And let's see who the winner is. Congratulations, Nancy. She is the winner, and you need to contact me. My email is down below. I just need your address and I can send this out as soon as possible. I just want to say thank you everybody for participating and subscribing. Make sure to come back for new videos in the future. I've been posting a couple of videos a week. Also make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified for future videos.